Hello, this is Cyber Dragon. Today I'm going to talk about two gaming apps that'll tell you how to make money online. All you gotta do is play a simple game, pretty much. First one is Panda Cube Smash. What it is a app where you just match symbols and complete like the basic request. Like for this example, it show red, green, and yellow. You just gotta complete how many of red, green, and yellow, and they give you like, okay, you have 12 turns to complete it. Next thing about this game is they're available on you can contact them on Facebook if you have some technical difficulties. Email them as well. Over 1,200 challenging prizes. You can get free lives and coins. The lives they give you is total like 10 to begin with. Then you can get more lives if you watch ads or turn in your coins to buy them, or they have in-app purchases as well. And you start making money a lot in the beginning, and then when you get closer, you still make money. They say they do pay out, but so far I have not seen it yet, and I'm still in the phase of the game. See, the price. They say you earn real money. They have all these ads. Okay, what it offers Amazon gift cards and PayPal. You can turn your coins and cash. But see, the coins are just used as like enhancements in the game to make you finish the game much faster. You earn massive coins in the game. You win free gifts. What the free gifts are? These gifts help you better your chance into the game. And then you can when you hit like certain levels, like 20 or 30, you can develop the building landscape in the area. It's a good thing you can learn is about the history, a little bit history of like important landmarks, which is good. About like certain countries like France, Japan, China, and so forth. US. Okay, what people say. There's 103,000 reviews, 4.3 out of 5. Over a million users already have downloaded this. It looks like when most people, they said false advertising, false claim. They don't recommend the game. Close to the amount. Start to drop, then it makes you play more level. There's some people that wasted time. Okay, look like when people get too close to like the $99 and whatever, they mostly gave up. So there's not really anybody telling me they really won yet. So I want you guys to like, uh, it's up to you guys who want to test it out the game. It's a fun game, yes. It has 73 MB. It's available on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. And you just gotta read the requirements so it can fit for your device. Okay, let's see the content rating, adult 18. It's like gambling, pretty much. So you can read more about it at the bottom. Companies from Hong Kong, so it's the same company, 2O Games. You can contact them through email if you have any problems. In-app purchases were 99 cents to $100. A little bit lower, a little bit higher than the other one. It's at 99 cents to 69 cents. And it asks permissions to game like active, like storage because they didn't use storage space. Okay, next is Lucky Pusher. Lucky Pusher is pretty much just like you just drop coins, and you can use the coins and the money to redeem for prizes. Okay, the coins can redeem Amazon gift cards, cash. The cash coins can reduce a PayPal account. If you match like three triple sevens on a slot machine, which they offer in the game. There's a little slot machine like like in the middle of the game, they'll just rotate back and forth. You'll get cash money for it, which maybe they'll mail a check to you, or based on PayPal. And if you collect like 36 fruits, you can get a $10,000 Amazon gift card. I'm getting close to that part, but and then when you fill the bar, you can activate the cash drop. So every tap you make, only cash coins will come out for about a certain amount of time frame. It's like 180 seconds. Okay, read more. See what else they have. You don't need to purchase anything. And they also have a feature called Drop a Big a Nickel, which is the first one is free when you start daily. Every day you'll get a free like daily drop coin, a wall, and a shake. A shake is usually like an animal that pops up to. Well, that's on the other version of this game, a different version. This one will just give you a big coin. Will be for your shake. Okay. Over 1,000 levels, good graphics. It's just pretty much like a simple game, almost like Slot Machine. Okay, it's got a 3.8 out of 5 stars, which is roughly about 70 something percentage. So you start making money, but it's like they pay small, so it's like so be like 1, 5, 10 cents. This is just like a casual game. Start paying out. Okay. You need about $100 to cash out. There's always said there's a grand prize, and someone will try to say Amazon, but they spelled it a little bit wrong. Okay, 50 megabytes. It's available on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. Million users. Age appropriate is for teenagers. Adults can also play, just for like relaxation time. Don't need to play a lot of time, just 5 to 15 minutes. Hong Kong company too. You can contact them only through email. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with other people so they can know about this money making app and see if they will like test out a game, see if they want to win it. Because so far it looks like no one has cashed out at all yet, so it's pretty much indicates like, is it worth it or not worth it? It's up to you guys to decide if you want to test it out or not. And you can also read the reviews on the website, on the Google Play Store, and share this video. Oh, I already said that. And I hope to see you guys next time. And tune in. There's a lot of money making apps, and I'll tell which ones are true and which ones are false. So far, these are like iffy right now because I'm still testing it out. I'm getting close to it, and I'll provide like an updated video in the future. Hope to see you again next time. Goodbye.